Hello, my people. How now they? Also now they fine. Also now they fine, my people. I never come do live video. I know they around though. When I come, I'll come sit down. I know now. Come see they do live video. You gonna not be everywhere where person just they go just they show and just they like. I just be ma, you know. So I just they do video and upload them. My people, so get this video where I see because they just want artists they watch, you know, they see what they go on. Me I quit talk about friendship on social media. You get this video where I see. I don't say if I want to talk. I know they bend to talk. Let's say I don't want just talk. Now Felicia do this video. And they look this video, send the message to self-love. So like I said, that one send that one do video to tell Monica say stay away from Evie and Felicia. Okay, so she can't do this video. Can't tell self-love say nobody feel cause quarrel between she and Monica. Okay, for Evie, we don't already know that one. Say Monica don't talk and say anything we Evie they do for a video. That one I Evie. So then be sister for inside house. Which that one I like well. I like that one that time we talk because you know say this social media if it cause quarrel between friends and sisters, you understand? They'll come say your sister say so, you can't say so. So if it cause quarrel, so then she can't come at that time. I see the video where they cut, so she can't say, can't address the issue. Say if you're not a sister for a side, so anything we be saying our opinion. So for Felicia, when Felicia can't do video, can't talk to self-love. What happen? I still watch her and I see people still tell me the way we take it. Felicia even talk with the man say she only writes for her work say make them not they mock easy with sickness, which is very good and now what person not supposed to do because nobody know tomorrow, nobody know what happen even now 1 minute nobody know, you know na so like that one where she write not be bad to you, but the problem where be say ikonde na a leader Monica na they mock easy, you understand? Now then the problem the cocoa and the cocoa now then inside then I because if Monica they do something even though say this something they not d'accord that is they not agree with the thing as far as say na their leader they need to say okay we agree. Now be that side though. They not too much understand the way Monica say they do something. They just they follow. But with the way they watch them for afar, we know if Monica say this thing agree, as far as say she don't talk and agree, and the thing not be agree on her white. So the rest people where they follow and where be say she they lead, they supposed to talk say that thing yes na agree. She don't understand. So now make self-love can't do that video. Say can't talk now. Say stay away from this. You know, say this social media, everybody get their opinion. Even though say my old brother, he can't there for live video, they do it. Oh, I need they talk something. Me they talk say now my opinion be this one. You know if it cause quarrel for me with that person. So now she can't do this video. Can't tell and say you know if it cause quarrel. You know say a good friendship where be say is strong. Nobody fit cause a quarrel for them. You understand? Nobody. But this social media where they do friends of they never see body before or they not I don't understand the kind of friendship one another so one and they do for social media because this social media of 15 or like a friendship you know they last not be lie it no go last unless you know they do one like inside house will be friend for media I don't know you don't know me talk and the way you be if they beat me carry the video if they beat you carry the video you understand me person like me I know they quarrel for that even though say me and you will be friends they can't curse me you carry the video they still praise me you carry the video problem no day now social media now so it be now work you understand but inside house that one they different or me I can't verse say the video where they tell insult me why you go carry on I don't get time I don't get time because I know say now your work you they do your blogging so wait till I want to try to talk that video that writing where Felicia writes she writes and where but she they refer on to Monica is 100% because nobody they mock easy with sickness nobody now she did one if na me as far as say you don't write down because as he writes down all those is enough one they can't follow and they can't they why you dey talk na our leader na no say na so they do. Even one woman even cry come and say wetin she talk she make her own opinion. Why be so na all this here they come dey who me go there na im make am good make you dey your day. Stay like person like me. I just dey my own. I not there for anybody side. I not there for any group. If I see something where I want to put, I talk put. I just feel like say I don't want just enter. I will just think, close my mouth, just sit down, look, they watch, they do my blogging. Do you understand? Because when you don't there for somebody's side, if the person can like, especially if na your leader. Not the same Monica say na she dey lead all of them, good and fine, and they accept her. As far as say na your leader, if she say this thing agree, just talk say na green. No go dey talk say no be green or bet na I see am say na white o. Who are you to say your leader? Wetin your leader talk say no be not correct. That means dem go come dey hammer you, dem come dey beat you. Na be the something o. Na make am una dey do na dey. E no good. That's why I love this one. This one na my friend. Who a friend help for this social media? No dey. Friendship of 10 years fit destroy. He destroy like say tomorrow not there. So you wait on day this side, the one day that side. Sometimes when I say hello, or maybe I not even they say the hello. Now you come the thing say the friendship go last. I don't know. I just talk my own. People where they find friendship, they go now do. So from there now, you should do the video. You know. So you know say Monica they do one thing. Now una no know. They say like me I know. Now, so that time where be say a precious man go stay happen, you know, and all those things where the time where it happen, that time a precious man still did there. When the something don't develop Monica for Bele, leave her. Even though somebody go carry a picture, you go on the right say, my lady, you are so beautiful, you are so this. You don't know say you want come up for his side. He go carry you or you wear also who will talk boy. Because why she will be the leader? Why be say wetin she talk? You not say yes na so. You can't dey like no. Na my opinion. Who tell you may you get your opinion? Now we wear the blog, we they sit down, we they watch it, we they look. If you want to see the one where they cut, we'll see pick up because she can't come and come praise self-love. Say you they give them woto. The way we say they give them, she like her. She not dey talk to Ivie, no, because she don't already talk and say Ivie if you do video na her opinion, then be sister for inside house. For media, they not be sister. Anything where Ivie like me, they do for media. You understand? So far, I no insult her, she no insult you know. She they use it direct. They talk to una where they follow and where they talk say no for me this one now una they talk to. Ija if they not come make sure na no say na they talk to. You know they talk to Ivie. Because if with Ivie, they don't settle that one. Say Ivie, you know waiting, me with you will be sister for his house. When it comes to social media, if Mudo say I say A, you can say B, it not concern me. So I say you not mention my name. But the rest of una, when be say they lead, who born una? Wanna hey, my people. As I see the video, I say, me I can't talk small. Make una be careful. Me, I don't know what to make una they run up and down. I want to be to this group. I want day your day. Stay from one place. You know, consistency call you talk your own. Nobody will come they run for your platform. Come they insult you. That be the problem. Because as far as say una come there for A, una there for group A, and una leader na come say something. You can say for me I don't like her or I don't like the one way this one. Or if for good make them they do on this side. Then the people where be so na leader they lead the habits enough away there for inside. They go run follow you na come they insult you. Now be the something you. That's why they insult that woman. The other woman where they for one where I see a video. He said now my opinion I talk oh. Why una they bully me now? What I do now? Now so it be. Now make can you stay from one place. Me now. If I want to talk my opinion, I go talk my opinion. They no say I not there for anybody. Nobody they lead me. Now me they lead myself. You understand? Now me they lead myself. I know they lead you. And you lead yourself. Your opinion is welcome. My own opinion, leave and may still be welcome. Now be the something you, my brothers and sisters. Not be so much social media. If you not stay your day, you see person like me. I know if you come and they praise my fellow woman. You are the best. You are this. You are this one. I can't hear you. For waiting now, I dey hear you. You know why you go hear me one day? He may marry a boto. Now be no problem. Why hele? Why praise? If she say na shit, more na shopper. Why you wagyo any? She's right because she be una leader. She not the lead me or bet una na the lead. So if she say blue, more na talk say na blue. If una talk say na red, why ma? Now be the sort you. abi una never know. Una no know. We dey watch, we know. Na it be that I want to go friendship for social media. I know the find friendship they go. The one with